Children, till now we have completed question number 9 of exercise 2.2. Now we are going to see question number 10. Now let us see what is question number 10. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio of 7:5. So they have given the ratio of boys and girls. So this 7 is related to boys and this 5 is related to girls. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. This is the condition which they have given, that number of boys is 8 more. As I already told you that whenever they are saying more, it means they are talking about addition. Okay, so number of boys is what? Number of girls plus 8, that will be the number of boys. We have to find out the total class strength. So first let us convert this ratio into numbers. As we have already seen, whenever we have to convert this ratio into numbers, we have to multiply them with common multiple. So let us take x as a common multiple. So here we can see that number of boys be 7x and let number of girls be 5x. Okay, now according to the given condition, what is the relation between number of boys and number of girls? They have given that number of girls plus 8 is nothing but number of boys. If you see this part, number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. This part need not to be written. This is just for explanation. Okay, this is just for clarification. So this step need not to be written. So directly we can write that number of girls, that is 5x plus 8 is equals to 7x. This is the number of boys and this is the number of girls, and 8 is added so that it becomes equals to the number of boys. Now rest part you can do, transfer this 5x to this side, so it will be 7x minus 5x and 8 will be as it is. Okay, so we have to take like terms on one side, take variables on one same side. So as it is plus here, so it will be subtracted here. So here we can say that 7x minus 5x is nothing but 2x. Now this 2 is multiplied here, so it will go and divide here. So we can say that x is equals to 8 upon 2. That is nothing but 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So we can say that x is equals to 4. Okay, now this is the common multiple which we have find out. Okay, this common multiple, but we have to find out number of boys. So number of boys is what? It is 7x. So here we can say that number of boys is equals to 7x, that is 7 into 4, so it is 28. So how many boys are there? 28 boys are there. And what is the number of girls? It is 5x. Here we have taken, let number of girls be 5x, so it will be 5x, that is 5 into 4. This x, value of x we have to substitute here. As it is 4 we have find out, so we have to substitute here 4. So 5 4s are 20. But what is the total strength? They have asked for the total class strength. So what is the total class strength? It is addition of boys and girls. So number of boys plus number of girls is nothing but total strength of the class. So 28 plus 20 is nothing but 48. So 48 students. This is the total strength of this class. So this is all about question number 10.